I am just going to go over a couple more examples on solving by square root method. So the page that I'm on right now is this guy. It says solving quadratic equations, square root law. The page before it was the page that we just took the notes on. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple of the even questions. I'm going to do number 4. So we want to get r by itself, so I square root. I'm going to have to start breaking down 78. I know 2 goes into it. Half of 80 is 40, so half of 78 would be 39. 39 breaks down into 3 times 13, bring down the 2. Those are all prime numbers, and there's no pairs. So r actually just equals positive or negative square root of 78. Again, if it asks for the decimal, go ahead and give the decimal. 8, I'm going to add 4 to both sides, add 4. I get n squared equals 81. I'm going to take the square root of both sides to get n by itself. N equals positive and negative square root of 81 is a whole number, is a perfect square, so it is 9. I'm going to come down to number 12. I'm going to subtract 7, brick wall it, right? That cancels. 3m squared equals 294, I hope. Yes, right? Hopefully I'm getting that right. Divide by 3, divide by 3. I believe it's 98, but I don't want to make a mistake. Yep, 98. So m squared equals 98. Square root, square root. Okay, break it down. 98 breaks down into 2 times 49. 49 is a perfect square. Square root of 49 is 7. So m equals positive or negative. 7 comes to the outside, 2 stays in. That is your answer. Okay. I'm just going to do those examples. What I want for you to do is, I want for you to do the odd ones, so this whole column right here. And then once you're done with those, I want you to check it. I have put the answer key to the odd ones into this folder. So I have shown all the work and circled the answers, so make sure to do that just for a little extra practice. And then go ahead and do the Schoology assignment after you've done that. All right, guys, thank you. Have a good one.